What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Today we're going to be making a fun video. We're actually going to be working on the Z3, which is right here. I went ahead and got really cheap mods for the Z3. This is a knockoff easy lip, only cost me 12 bucks on eBay. And 6 pieces glossback canards only cost me $8. Not sure if I'm going to be using all of them, but yeah, definitely going to be using maybe 4. But yeah guys, let's put these on the car and see how it goes, and yeah, let's get this video going. As you guys can see, my paint is a little damaged on the bumper. Missing paint right there. Paint from someone else's car right there. So this bumper is gonna get painted soon, but I still wanted to go ahead and put the mods on and see how it looks. From what I've read online, I think this just goes here. There's 3M tape. It goes all the way around. It's flexible, so you can kind of move it around and bend it. Once you're done, you cut off the excess, and yeah, that's your rubber front lip. One thing I'm really excited to see is how well this rubber holds up, because if you have a conventional lip like that, you're gonna be scraping, you're gonna be hitting this, scratching the bottom. But this one is much more durable, and on top of that, this was only 12 bucks like I said, so if it rips, who cares, you can just buy another one. So yeah, let's put it on. So yeah guys, I'm probably gonna just start from the side and slowly keep bending it as I go. So alright guys, so I'm gonna start from one side. I'm gonna leave a little extra for when I cut it off, and I can shape it however I want. So start from there. It's pretty flexible, so I don't think it's going to be an issue for it to like go on the car, and it's probably going to fit most cars and most bumpers. But if you have like a Lamborghini or something with extreme curves, pretty sure that's not going to work out. But if you are a regular Joe Schmo like me, then yeah, this will definitely work out. And it's looking pretty good already, not gonna lie. But let's not get excited too quick. So yeah, slowly go around. Whatever you wanna keep out the length, go ahead and do it to your specifications, to your choice. But yeah guys, I'm gonna stop rambling and just do the work and let you guys see it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna hit it up with the heat gun after I'm done. So the glue kind of solidifies in there and is stronger. Alright, so now it might get a little tricky. Oh yeah, never mind, it wasn't tricky at all. That just went on easy. Yeah guys, this is... Okay, so honestly I was scared it was going to be hard to bend. So far so good. There is no issues bending, it's following the line of the bumper. Just take it slow, go slow. And guys, don't hurry, just be patient, go around it slowly, and it's gonna come out nice. So at the final bend of the bumper, still looking good, going around. Alright guys, so the cut, I'm gonna try to keep it simple. No designs, it's just gonna be a straight cut. Use better scissors guys, so you don't have that little thing here. Alright guys, so that is what it looks with the lip. Yes, it's $12, but I'm still gonna take extra steps to protect it. So what I'm gonna do is hit up the bottom with a heat gun and make sure the glue sticks properly. That's how much it sticks out. Little stick out action right there, looks nice. Side view. Yeah guys, overall this is super nice. It's matte black, it looks nice, good quality, and the car definitely looks more aggressive with the lip. So if your car is low, this is definitely the lip I would go with since it's rubber. Or if you're low on money, I would also go with this lip. Looks super sexy. I already know some of you won't like this at all, but I used to have these on my G35 and I used to like how they looked. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and put this on the Z3 as well and see how that goes, and you guys can see it too. But this bumper is gonna be painted soon. If not soon, it's definitely gonna get painted down the road. So all these have to come off anyways. So for now, let's rock these and see how it goes. Another thing, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be using all 6. I might just use 4, 2 on each side. Let's see how this goes, and you can also leave in the comment section if you guys think I should use more or less, whichever looks better to you guys. So yeah, let's start measuring where I want these. Alright guys, I literally just eyeballed that. So this is it, guys. This is what it looks like right now. Not even gonna lie, looks pretty nice. I like it. The only thing which is kind of bothering me is I'm not sure if the canards are 100% accurately matched up, but yeah, I'll look into that later. But side view right here. Side view right here. So yeah guys, $20 for canards and lips. Definitely a steal. For the money, this is definitely worth it. Changes the look of the car, and it's super simple to put it on. Anyone can do it. Anyone watching this video can do it. It's super easy. Matter of fact, you can actually do it better than me if you really measure everything out. So far so good. I love how it looks right now. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. So yeah guys, I don't know if this is gonna give me any downforce, but looks super cool. Like I said guys, anyone can do this. $20 for all this. This is a lot of things for $20. Changes up the front. So yeah guys, if you want to follow along with the build, please go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you who watches my video and subscribes. Thank you. So yeah guys, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video.